Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your chemistry teacher from Campus 1, Muhammad Ismail of class 6. So, I hope you are all doing well in this pandemic, staying home, staying safe. So, you're all welcome to BSS Online Education. So, today we are gonna discuss about chapter 6. Chapter 6 is based on rocks and minerals. So, we see rocks in different forms in our day-to-day lives. So we encounter rocks in three different forms. There are three different types of rocks: an igneous rock, a sedimentary rock, and a metamorphic rock. So these are the three types of rocks that we encounter in our day-to-day lives. So on our screen right now we can see a rock cycle. So starting with the volcanic activity, so when rocks melt, when the rocks get melted, they later on solidifying, they turn into igneous rocks, and igneous rocks, due to weathering conditions, when they break down, they turn into sediments. Sediments, on hardening, they change into sedimentary rocks. And sedimentary and both igneous rock can turn into a metamorphic rock by heat and pressure. So both sedimentary rocks, metamorphic and igneous rocks, on weathering can change into sediments, and metamorphic rock on melting gets back to the volcanic activity. So this way the cycle gets repeated. So let's discuss them in brief. Let's discuss the types of rocks in brief. So igneous rock, let's start with igneous rock. So rocks formed by the solidification of molten materials are known as igneous rocks. So whenever there is a magma falling out of the magma that comes out, and when it cools down on the surface, they turn into igneous rocks. So both way possible, it can also cool beneath the surface, which is known as intrusive igneous rock, and the one that is cooling down outside is known as the extrusive igneous rocks. So some examples of igneous rocks are granite, basalt, obsidian, pumice. So these kind of rocks, they are hard and they can be used as ornaments for making kitchen countertops, for flooring, lightweight concrete, for making soaps. Okay. So now let's get back to the next one, which is a sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks can be defined as a rock formed from sediments. So they are basically formed from sediments. An igneous rock, when they break down due to weathering condition, they form sediments. And from sediments, when the sediments come together, they harden up, and all together they form a type of rock known as the sedimentary rock. So sedimentary rock can also be formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that lived in prehistoric times, which is also known as fossil fuels. Some examples: sandstone, limestone, coal, shale, conglomerate. So mainly used in building purposes. So limestone, coal, we are all familiar to these types of rocks. Conglomerates are large sediments which is mainly used as ornamental stone. Shale is composed of clay particles used in making cements or bricks. That's all for today. We will discuss the third type of rock and different minerals in the next class. So, everyone, stay safe, stay at your home, take care. Allah Hafiz.